You already know what it is. We're laying pipe tonight. Nah, we're doing the exhaust. We ain't doing no off-the-shelf exhaust. We're gonna do a custom exhaust. That's what you have. This big guy, a Vibrant 4.5 tip, and then we have to weld the transition here, obviously, to go back to a 3.5, like so. And then a Y piece that connects to the stock downpipes or aftermarket downpipes, whatever, it's the same thing. And then 45, a straight, bunch of V-bands, and some flex pipes. 2 mufflers, whatever the hell this is. Still, cats. We're retaining the cats.
Yep, for sure. Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then you have the whatever this is. So we're gonna go from a collector to a 3.5 all the way back, and come out on this side with a single exit instead of a dual.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and that's Nick. Yeah, I like. Well, first thing first, you gotta remove the exhaust, the stock one, obviously. So I'm not gonna show you details on how to take it off, because hanger, bolts, and you're supposed to have a brace here, but I don't.
Go figure.
Yeah, most people, I guess, have it, and then the under tray that I don't have either. And then obviously this plate. So we're gonna today actually JB weld the whole exhaust, right? Yep.
He's an expert JB welder.
I'm pulling out the JB welder right now.
He's certified, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna JB weld this thing. I'm about to just cut this thing off right here, call it a day. Single tip.
Straight pipe.
No, everybody wants straight pipe. I want single tip.
Why not both?
Straight pipe is it's the easy way out.
Yeah, exactly.
And it sounds like butt.
Well, we're essentially going straight pipe, but we do have a muffler still.
It does do something. Ali farted into it earlier and I couldn't hear it.
Yeah. So it must work.
Has some muffling properties to it.
Yeah.
Even though it's just a straight cannon.
Oh yeah, and they're probably thinking, well, how's he gonna fit that giant 4.5 inch tip here?
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, so there's a plan with this rear end and obviously the front end of the car, but we're gonna do this first, and then you'll find out later on. Just watch the videos. Look at me, I'm so
Boy,
I'm
hit
so
the power
strong.
stance.
Wow, this bitch is heavy, dude. Ready?
Here she comes.
Okay. Do a comparison side by side. Pull back.
Shit, not so shit.
It's a pretty big difference right there.
Yep. This looks spicy already.
Were these cut from stock pipes, or these are just totally fabricated?
Totally fabricated.
Totally, dude. This looks like some N55 shit. Weight reduction.
Yeah, so we lost some weight.
It's about 20 pounds right there.
Full show. So this thing would sit like so. It's looking pretty spicy already, dog.
So you just put that on and leave it like that, you know?
That fits.
Yes.
Why is that so loose?
Great
Is
success.
that V-banded off your downpipes or
Yeah.
your turbo housing?
Yeah. I didn't install them, so
I guess they're not that loose. You were just yanking on them pretty hard.
but obviously these are gonna come off later on for some, you know,
Single.
for a single or maybe twin.
Why don't you do an NA conversion? NA nitrous setup.
Well, why don't you just weld me a manifold where it blocks off all the cylinders?
Oh, perfect.
Yeah,
A
that's
reroute.
that's what you want, right?
Those.
Take manifold delete.
No, exhaust manifold delete.
There you go.
Bam.
Wow, wow, wee, wow.
Oh. Dumped all that metal dust in your pot.
Harbor Freight.
Very nice.
There we go.
Boom. Put your legs into it. Whoa.
Sounds like a goat.
I think we got it now. It's got a little bit of an angle to it, but
Yeah.
nothing no MIG welder can't fill.
I would say angle this way. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
It's got to be centered if you're gonna angle it like that, or else it'll look funky.
Well, it's not gonna be this bumper.
Oh, but the outlet is in the same position.
No, it's bigger.
It's bigger. Okay, so like that.
Yeah.
Because that'll be a lot easier to make it fits by the diff if we do it that way.
Yeah. That's what you want right
That's
there.
gonna be a full brap.
Uh-huh.
Well, fitment looks pretty decent, dude.
I mean, for guesswork, I'll be building that on my bench. That shit's fucking teddies, bro. Could be like half-inch higher, but that's all right. We won't get too big.
Eat these, okay? Once it's got hangers on it, it'll be fun. It ain't even sagging, though.
I gotta loosen it again.
No.
Oh, that one's gonna be a problem.
Ah, yup.
Sick.
Much welding porn.
I mean, dude, this thing will honestly lay some pretty clean fucking beads. Because all you got, what you do, this is something you can remember. When you're welding thin wall like this, you come in and you go, you just stitch it. You go,
Oh, so like I do it because I can never do like a continuous thing.
That's really not impossible, but hard to do when you're dealing with thin tube because you'll blow through it. The thin tube just doesn't control the heat well, so it's like that's not a bad practice. You're not on the wrong track. It's what I do when I'm welding an exhaust. It's called stitch welding. You just kind of pop it, you know. Yep. Like that. I'll put this on just for the sake of the video, so people aren't hating on me. Why isn't he wearing a helmet?
Where's your eye protection?
Dirt. Yeah, exactly. Probably like, really.
That looks great.
Is it good? Yup.
Oh, shit. Straight pipe.
We're also going to throw a flex section in it, right?
Yeah.
So why don't we put the flex right here? That way it gives us room, because if you do what you just did, there's a little bit of variance in the angle. So either we need to cut this pipe or we can use the flex to take that angle up.
Okay.
Right? So let me go trim that flex apart and use it. Ouch. Just burned my shoes up. Alright, that's tacked up.
Sick. Got that clearance in there too.
We need a tape measure to find this length to where we want to stop. If our muffler sits at this angle, we can expect there to be like a 15 to 20 degree difference here. So we'll probably want to give some room to account for that, which means like maybe cut it. What do you think? Cut it right here?
Yeah.
Would be good, right? Drop it well. Oh, fuck. That shit
Burning
went straight in
shoe.
my shoe, dude. God damn it. This is why I wear boots when I come here and weld.
Hey, he's not lying.
Do not attempt this at home.
Dude, I have so many holes in my pairs of shoes at home.
It's like my shirts when I try to weld. Oh yeah, don't try to weld with the mask
All right,
off.
there you go.
Because he's definitely closing his eyes.
You can let go. See? That's like 15, but it's a weird 15.
Yeah, it's like a...
Compound angle.
It's like...
What I usually do,
these.
what I usually do to make it easier is I'll have my exhaust shop in Sanford flare the end of the pipes out so you can slip them and then you get a little bit of wiggle. But we don't have that opportunity right now, so. So, right like that.
Uh-huh.
So we need a piece this long. I know this is ghetto, but
This long.
All he needs are his hands.
I'm gonna show you.
Right in the eyes.
That is big poke. That's a big amount of poke going on right there.
Look at that angle, though.
Hey, that's what you wanted, right?
Yes.
All right. I'm good.
Yeah.
So JDM.
First startup.
That's not big. I think it's leaking a little bit. That's the way oh, it is?
our thing.
Yes. I like. We unlocked the recipe to a good exhaust. Like I said, we unlocked the
Secret,
the
dude.
secret to a good exhaust. You need this.
Straight pipe.
So yeah, we went from that POS to that beautiful piece. Yeah, so if you want to see more shit on this and whatever, make sure to hit the subscribe, like, comment.
Do it all.
Just bye.
Bye.